400 plus common English words for beginners. 16 conjunctions and, but, or, because, although, if, when, while, since, until, though, after, so, as, then, unless. 20 basic nouns: water, table, pen, mouth, milk, man, house, hat, hand, girl, eye, egg, door, child, chair, bread, boy, book, ball, apple. 36 common verbs: call, buy, bring, be, ask, do, speak, write, sing, swim, make, break, take, become, play, learn, know, hear, have, go, give, fix, find, eat, drink, dance, cry, cook, come, clean, begin, see, meet, run, get, say. Basic modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. 30 common adjectives: new, old, good, bad, long, short, true, false, rich, poor, cold, hot, angry, hungry, brave, kind, cruel, tall, lazy, big, small, diligent, heavy, light, ill, busy, dry, happy, unhappy, full. 25 pronouns: he, she, it, they, we, I, you, his, her, their, them, your, my, mine, ours, yours, this, that, these, those. 25 prepositions: to, in, with, on, off, from, for, during, down, by, beyond, between, beside, below, behind, before, at, around, among, along, against, after, across, above, about. 20 common adverbs: quietly, quickly, now, nicely, loudly, honestly, hardly, happily, fully, fast, enough, easily, deeply, clearly, carefully, badly, away, always, almost, again. Common question words: what, where, when, why, who, which, how, whose, whom. Time words: tomorrow, today, soon, second, now, night, morning, month, minute, midnight, later, late, last, first, evening, early, day, before, afternoon, after. Days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Time and duration: year, month, week, day, hour, minute, night, evening, afternoon, morning. Home and family words: window, room, mirror, light, kitchen, house, floor, door, blanket, bed. Fruits and vegetables: lemon, grapes, tomato, potato, pineapple, orange, mango, carrot, banana, apple. School and learning words: teacher, student, pen, lesson, homework, eraser, desk, class, chalk, book. Clothing and accessories: shoes, shirt, pants, jeans, jacket, hat, dress, coat, cap, belt. Common transport words: truck, train, taxi, ship, motorcycle, car, bus, boat, bicycle, airplane. Weather words: windy, thunder, sunny, storm, snow, rain, hot, foggy, cold, cloudy. Health and body words: foot, finger, face, eye, ear, brain, body, blood, back, arm. Food and drinks: rice, juice, fish, coffee, chicken, cheese, cake, butter, bread, water. Numbers and counting words: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jobs and occupations: teacher, nurse, lawyer, farmer, engineer, driver, doctor, chef, artist, actor. Commands and instructions: come, go, sit, stand, stop, wait, watch, write, listen, open. Nature and environment words: tree, river, mountain, lake, forest, flower, fire, earth, cloud, air. Basic feelings and emotions: angry, bored, excited, happy, hungry, lonely, nervous, sad, tired, worried. Common tools and objects: screw, saw, rope, nail, ladder, knife, hammer, brush, axe. Countries and places: India, Japan, Russia, France, England, China, Canada, Bangladesh, Australia, Germany. Actions and activities: work, walk, swim, run, push, pull, lift, jump, dig, climb. Additional common words: wish, truth, smile, result, reason, problem, plan, party, noise, news, luck, idea, game, friend, guest, common places, bank, hospital, library, market, park, post office, school, station, temple, zoo, entertainment and hobbies, watch, sing, read, play, paint, music, movie, game, draw, dance. 10 best ways to earn money online. Start earning from home. Golden opportunity. Buy now. Link in the description. 21 days English vocabulary course. Speak English fluently. 5,000 plus English words. Buy now. Link in the description.